is a fun one, and students certainly like it a lot. Because it's not a new test. They're really using number 3. Test divisibility for number 6 really involves just 2 tests. The tests of divisibility for using 2, which means it must be an even number, and the test of divisibility for number 3. Remember, the number 3 is where you add the digits, pretend the number is 512. So we have, let's say, 512. We add the 5 and the 1 and the 2 together, and that gives you 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 is 8, and we see that that doesn't add up to 9, therefore it's not divisible by 3. Looks like a number that might be, but it's not. Were the number 513, you would have a different response, and you'd find with the number of 513, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 equals 9. So 513, the number would be divisible by 3, but it's not divisible by 2, so it would not be divisible by the number 6. So a number must be divisible by 2 and must be divisible by 3. 216, if you look at that number for a while, we look at the number 6, we see that indeed it's an even number, which is great. That's our first part of the test for the number 6. The number is also divisible by 3. As a result, because it's both 2 and 3 go into it evenly, 216 is evenly divisible by the number 6. Let's try some examples with this. It's an even number. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is the answer is yes. 3072. Well, it's an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 12 is evenly divisible by 3. 3072 is divisible. Ooh, tricky one. 133. Boy, big number, lots of 3's, so maybe it's divisible by 3, but we have to remember our test. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. It's not divisible by 3, so I don't even need to check if it's divisible by 2 or not. But it's not divisible by 2 if you look at it, or by 3. But so it's not divisible by 6. It must be 332. It's an even number, so 2 goes into it, and 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, but it's not divisible by 3. Thanks for partying.